everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello Moms of India. I am Padmaja, mother of 2.5-year-old daughter. I hope you all are doing good, and in this time we cannot do much. We have to stay at home, and that is only one way we can be safe from this virus. But I feel this itself is a big contribution towards our country, and it really reduces a big load from our frontline warriors. So yeah, please take it in a positive way and take this as an opportunity to be with your children and be part of their development. Okay. So before I move to today's topic, I would like to thank you all who have really liked and subscribed my channel, and people who have not, kindly do it, and please watch this video till the end. This video is really informative. Okay, so today's topic is about the counting. I often see parents having the confusion when they can introduce the child for the counting. Okay, so and how. So what I have personally experienced is before you introduce your child for the counting, you should make sure your child understand the number properly. Okay, so understanding the number properly means, for example, if it is 1 to 10, in the beginning keep a limit of 1 to 10. So your child knows the sequence 1, 2, like that up to 10, and the child also able to identify the number. Okay, so if you give the child 3, the child should able to tell this is 3 or 7 or 5. Okay, so that means your child knows the number properly. The base or the concept of number is clear. Okay, so this is called number. Okay, and once your child clears on the number, so the first step is done. Okay, next you can plan for the next one, which is counting. Okay, so any age you introduce, whatever age, it doesn't matter, make sure your child understand the number properly. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is, how will you introduce the counting? I would like to say, when you introduce the counting, because your child is very new to the counting, child only knows the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you ask how many ball, the child will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, so you have to make your child stop as soon as the child completes the counting. Okay, for example, 2 ball, as soon as your child say 1, 2, you have to tell them stop. Okay, that means child will stop 1, 2, 2 ball. Okay, so if you continue this for 1 to 2, 3 days, the child will understand the pattern and will understand the concept of counting. And then slowly the child, if you give any sequence, the child will able to tell. So for introduction to number, I have something. So this is called number board. You can see it is 1 to 20. Okay, this is really very colorful, so the child will really find it very entertaining and interesting. It has a number up to 1 to 20. So it is very easy to take out the numbers and fit it into, but your child will really find it difficult in the beginning. So that's how it has to use the brain and the eye hand coordination to fill the object. Okay, and this will really help your child to understand the sequence 1 to 20 or 1 to 10, whatever, and will able to identify. As soon as your child understands this thing, you can introduce to the numbers, or to the counting. Okay, so that means 2 strawberries, and the child will put 2. Okay, like that. This is very nice. I had introduced to my daughter at the age of 1.5, and within few weeks I could see she could able to remember the sequence 1 to 20, able to identify the number. Yeah, it's really great. Okay, so I would definitely recommend you all to introduce your child to this if you have not done so. Okay, and I will give the link in my description. The next one is the flashcard. Through flashcard, you can introduce the number to your child. Okay, these are the numbers. This I had got it online. Okay, I am not so much happy with this because it costed me around 300 plus, and the quality is not so good. But yeah, you can definitely try if you don't want to make any other flashcard through paper and all. But yeah, I mean, this is it has only one good thing is it has 1 to 100 and some operators. So yeah, but I would definitely will recommend you to prepare your own flashcard. It is very easy to make. Okay, like this you can make. You can make it colorful if your child is fond of different colors. You can make it colorful. Yeah, it is very easy to make. Okay, you can make it, and I have prepared up to 20. So I give any number and my child able to identify that. Apart from that, you can introduce the child, yeah, through the activity. Okay, this is a small activity. I have taken a theme of flower, and I have tried to put the numbers in different places and ask my daughter to identify. Okay, so here the child has to use the brain and try to use uh, basically the focus will increase. Try to find out the numbers. Okay, so, and also it also helps in identifying the number. So you are working in both focus and in the numbers. You can also introduce, once you sure like your child identifies the number, you can do such kind of thing to introduce the counting. So here I have taken a theme of tree and some fruit and leaves, clouds, butterfly, whatever my daughter likes. And through this I asked her how many apple or how many tree, how many butterfly. And this is a very fun activity, and this really helps in the counting. Okay, so you can also introduce such activity to your child. Apart from this activity, you can introduce the book. So it's a number book where you can ask your child for counting. Okay, so this I had got it locally. I'm not sure whether you will really get this book online, but I feel if not this book, similar book, at least you will get online. So this book has how many toys, butterflies, cherries, pencil, and yeah, in the beginning when you ask your child to count, you have to say, as soon as the child say 1, you have to stop the child. Okay, stop. So the child will stop at 1 and you have to say 1 toy. Similarly for 2 butterfly, you have to say, as soon as your child say 1, 2, you have to make it stop. 2 butterflies. Okay, so you can, yeah, you can do. It has up to 15 with different content. They have made fish, umbrella, bags. Okay, at the end it has also some numbers 1 to 100. You can also, once you sure like your child understand the number clearly, identify the number, you can make them read. So yeah, even I initially when I found my daughter is very much clear on the numbers, I started making her read 1 to 10, then slowly 20. Now she can read up to 50. Okay, the next thing is yeah, so there are different ways you can really introduce your child into the counting. I would also like to say, like, never limited yourself to this activity. Whenever you go out, for example, any open area, your garden, your balcony, you can introduce your child to the in a number wise. Okay, so how many moon, how many star, how many flower in the trees. So there are two ways will happen. First of all, your child mind will be in a different way. At the same time, the child learning will happen. So yes, now I will show you all this counting in a practical way. Adhya is going to do it, and let's watch the video. Number.
1.
Yeah, now give me 20.
Okay.
Okay, keep next to 1. Okay, give me 5.
Okay.
Give me 8.
Okay.
Now give me 13.
Okay.
Very good. Give me 18.
Okay.
Okay, give me 10.
Okay. Hey.
Very good. Give me 2.
Okay.
Give me 14.
13.
Fill the numbers. चलो fast, fast, fast. What is that? Say it and keep it. What is that?
3.
4.
4.
Say it and keep it.
5.
What is that?
9.
Say it and keep it.
10.
Hmm.
1, 0, 10.
Yeah, keep it.
Baby.
No.
1, 9, 90.
Hmm.
This is 18. Okay. 13.
Hmm.
1, 3, 3. 13. 1, 7, 8.
17.
7, 8, 7, 8.
17.
And 17.
Hmm.
20. Only 20.
Try it. It will happen. Try, try, try.
10. 10.
Next. चलो fast, fast. Next.
14.
Hmm.
1, 4, 14.
What is that?
7.
What is that number?
Yes.
Hmm.
1, 2, red.
Very good.
1, 1, 11. 1, 6, 16. 1, 1, 5, 5, 15.
Very good.
Blue. 2, 0, 20.
Very good. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Very good. Good job. Where? Okay, you are preparing swimming pool. Okay, tell me, where is 3?
Okay. 3.
Okay. Where is 3? Only 3.
And 3.
Very good. Where is 10?
Yes.
10, 10, 10. Fast, fast, fast. Where is 10? Where is 10? Where is 10? Find out, find out.
10.
Yes. Yes, you can do it. Where is 14?
Okay. 14, 5, 6, 7, 11.
Where is 14? Where is 14? Fast, fast, fast.
Happy birthday.
Now, jaldi, jaldi. Jaldi, 14.
8, 4.
No, 14 you have to find out.
Okay.
Yes, 14. Very good. Where is 20?
Okay. 20.
Very good. Where is 2?
Okay. Let me try. 2.
2, 2.
2. Okay.
Very good. Now, where is 5?
Okay. 5.
Very good. Where is 8?
Okay.
How many butterflies?
1, 2.
Stop. How many cherries?
1, 2, 3.
Stop. How many pencil?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Stop. Then, okay, next one.
1,
Wait. How many balloons?
1, 2. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stop. How many fruits?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Stop. Very good.
I got this shut
Yes, fruits. How many ice cream?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Stop. How many animals?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Stop.
Elephant is connoted Batama.
How many apples?
How many clouds?
Okay, how many clouds?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many butterflies?
1 butterfly.
How many ants?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many farmer?
1.
Okay, how many apple?
How many bats?
How many birds?
1.
Okay, how many tree?
1. 1, 3. 1 big tree.
Okay, one big tree. How many leaves?
Okay. Listen.
Leaves.
Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many apple?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. How many circle in the butterfly?
Wings.
Okay, wings.
1, 2.
How many wings butterfly has?
Okay.
Count.
1, 2.
No, wings.
Wings.
How many wings?
1, 2.
Very
How
good.
many standing line?
How many sleeping lines? These are sleeping lines.
How many sleepy line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. Good job.
Good job.
Yes, so these are some of the activities or some of the ways you can introduce the numbers and the counting to your child. I have personally followed all this, and these are really worked in a nice way. One thing I would request, don't be in a hurry. It doesn't happen in a day. So it takes time. So always keep a smaller target and encourage your child. So when your child achieve that target, you appreciate and your child's confidence will boost, and this will really help her to achieve the next target. And yes, always make sure before introducing the counting, you are checking your child's basic or fundamental is clear on the numbers or not. Okay. Yeah, so yes, thank you for watching this video. I will keep on sharing such informative video in this channel. Till then, thank you. Keep loving, keep sharing this video, and namaste.